Grants, did you know? So do you miss learning, kids? So I'll give you top 5 Did You Know Facts Part 2. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. So are you excited? So come on, let's start. Hello kids! So let us start our top 5 Did You Know Facts. So number 1. Why do we have day and night? The Earth is like a slowly spinning ball that takes 24 hours to make one turn. Oh, like pretend that this is a ball and then it moves like slowly. It is a day where we live when our part of the world is facing the sun. Wow, that's amazing! Like, for example, kids, see, if there's light in my head, like my face right over here, so, and the sun is there, so it is daylight here. And then if there is no sun here, it is night time. It is night for the hours when we are turned away from the sun. Oh, now I know the reason. So interesting. I also told my tita why it is evening and morning. Okay, but let's do it another video. So let's continue. However, at any one moment, there are different times of day in different parts of the world. It is morning in Asia, and it is in the middle of the night. Huh? Really? Also in Europe, and evening in the eastern United States. Oh, that's so nice. Also, like in here, Dubai, it is evening, while in the Philippines, it's already 1 a.m. And later, the sun will face the Philippines, and there'll be morning there. Oh yeah, kids. Also, I remember when I told my tita, like my mom's sister, when it is nighttime here, it is morning in the Philippines. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so number 2. Why is the sky blue? Yeah, I see some of the sky blue. So ordinary light is made up of 7 colors. These are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. That is the color of the rainbow. And kids, remember that I was telling the color of the rainbow in my 24 Did You Know Facts in my previous video? Yeah, I hope you remember it too. So we see each of these colors only if it is reflected by something or splits off in some other way. So when sunlight hits the Earth's atmosphere, blue light is scattered by the air and the sky appears blue. Wow, that's amazing. That's why every time when I look at the sky, most of the color I see is blue. So number 3, did you know fact? Why is the sky red at sunset? At sunset, when the sky appears lower in the sky, sunlight has to travel further before it reaches the earth. All the colors in the light except red became scattered before we see them. But because red light travels furthest, this is the color of the sunset. Oh, now I know. I also remember when I look into the window, I saw that the sky is red. And now I know the reason. Okay, so number 4. Why is the rising moon so big? In fact, the moon only seems bigger when it first rises. Its size the same when it is up in the sky. But because there are things to compare it with as it rises on the Earth's horizon, it appears larger. Oh, now I know. I also know that I can compare because also my mom told me that I can compare with the stars and the moon. And the stars are small and the moon is small. But when you see the moon, it's small because we're too far away. Okay, so next. And now we have reached the number 5 Did You Know fact. Hooray! So, why can't we see stars in the daytime? Stars are always in the sky, even during the day. But we cannot see them in the daytime because the sun outshines them. When night falls, they show up clearly against the dark sky. Cool! But although the brightness of the sun prevents from seeing the stars during the day, the stars are always visible in outer space, just beyond the Earth's atmosphere. Cool! Like maybe that in the nighttime, I just saw that the stars, they're so bright, even though I can see them. But in the morning or afternoon, I can't see them because maybe the sun is too bright and also the stars are bright. So that time you cannot see them. Amazing! So, thank you for watching my top 5 Did You Know facts. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. So, see you and God bless. Bye-bye.